There's a big need to find better and safer cancer drugs. Many have quite nasty side effects and many of them don't work all the time. So finding new, safer cancer drugs really is an important target.
Robert and his company have identified some interesting compounds called aminosugars.
We know the molecule works, we know it has an anti-cancer activity both in vitro and in vivo. What we don't know is how it works.
We're interested in understanding the molecular mechanism behind these aminosugars and the effects they have on inflammation.
We're very good on the chemistry. What we don't have is the ability to do the immunology, and so the collaboration with Swansea University to do the immunology, understanding how it activates the immune system, is very useful to us, and so the Accelerate program has been crucial to move the project forward.
We have various experience in wet lab research, and so we dedicate a proportion of our time to the project and provide the consumables, expertise and laboratory facilities to undertake the work.
The collaboration which Accelerate makes possible enables us to do things which we couldn't do in Wales very easily and helps us take the product forward quicker.
Programs like ours play a significant role in driving forward innovations in healthcare solutions, and they're fostered by a common goal of wanting to improve the quality of life of patients while also introducing a positive economic impact to Wales.
The important thing of collaborating with academics is to allow them the freedom to input their own ideas into the project, and that's the great advantage of projects such as Accelerate. You get extra ideas and sometimes quite unexpected results from doing that.
To find out if Accelerate can help turn your ideas into reality, visit our website or email us at accelerate@lshubwales.com or call on 02920 467 030.